Date is the 18th of September 2020. This is, was it Keskitalontie?
Keskitalontie.
Oh, Keskitalontie. 2-4 stycken säg. Järvenpää. Uusimman on Finland. This residential building must have been completed in 1991. This was built in late 1990, turning 30 years old this year in 2020, with 5 floors. And the serial number is H66159. This is amazing.
Yeah.
It's going to be inspected in next year, 2021.
Se on tuossa Ketti- ja Järvenpään puistokulma.
Yep. We are pretty sure that, I am pretty sure this was completed in 1991.
Yeah.
Even though I know that with Kone they have the newer type of door handle from 1992, but it's the older type still.
Yeah. Tippaakin vai täältä meidän tempautis on näin skrättis.
Should be maintained by Kone instead. And I think this placement of this number is a little bit different.
Yeah.
We are also gonna get into this HSB here.
Yeah.
I think this residential building only has 2 staircases.
Yeah.
Alright, thank you very much for watching.
That's